GOEV stock analysis. Is it a buy or not? Watch this 1 minute video till the end to find out. So Canoo Incorporated looks pretty phenomenal, although like it's definitely 6.5% up for Tuesday's performance. It's not the best thing ever, because you can see before everything kind of happened here, I had this kind of red thing here, which by the way was correct on, and I have a link as proof of me calling out this exact movement down. Here's the before. Boom. Yeah, this video was made 4 days ago, 12th of December. And this is the aftermath. And since now this is a bearish range, they have the supply area. This is still a bearish market for me. All I would love to see is the price pull up, give me a double break, and only then hopefully participate in. But from where we are right now, we're just not randomly short. That's how GOEV looks like for me. If you want to learn the strategy that I'm using and want to make more money trading in a simple and lean way, you can click the first link in the description, which by the way, there is a free newsletter, and I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.